Aboitiz Construction has been in the fabrication and construction industry, giving quality service to their clients for over 40 years. This year, they celebrate their 43rd anniversary with more partnerships, goals, and a fresh new branding.
We really would like to launch ACI as an engineering and construction company. We're not just fabrication. Again, with the name Metafill before, every time we hear Metafill, it's metal. So it's about steel, it's about fabrication. When in fact, we've been doing construction, engineering and construction. When we reach the 45th year, that's actually the year that I'd like really to have a big bang as ACI. So we're building up the momentum now, and hopefully, with the help of my team members and team leaders, then that 45 years will also be a big bang, and that will kick off the real growth of ACI.
Aboitiz Construction has done several notable projects nationwide.
The one in Balamban is all done by Aboitiz Construction, the shipping company in Balamban. The Toledo power plant in Sami. So we did quite a lot there. We have Atlas Fertilizer. We have Carmen Copper. Ongoing is Carmen Copper. And then we have Coastal Shipbuilding. So it's also ongoing. So these are big projects. It's just not on papers.
Not only this, they also have clients overseas.
Currently, we're doing a big job for Canada, and hopefully, we get another project in North America.
In Aboitiz, we talk about advancing business and communities. So in the case of ACI, how do we now advance communities? It's really through the jobs that we create. So here in Aboitiz Construction, for now, there are already about 5,000 employees. No? That already excludes the regulars that we have, so we're needing 6,000.
Even after 43 years in the industry, Aboitiz Construction surely shows no signs of stopping to provide quality service to its clients, along with job opportunities for thousands of Filipinos. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.